How to open Zenith Bank account in Nigeria online. Now, in order to do this, make sure you download the application of Zenith Mobile onto your device. And once you open up the application, you'll be able to see the option called Open Account being displayed on the bottom of the screen. Simply head over to this option, and it will direct you to a new portal where you can select a category that you like, such as savings account with a BVN or NIN, or with both, or a diaspora account. So depending upon what you want, select one of these options, tap on proceed, and then again you may have further categories, such as in this case the Easy Save Classic or the Aspire Lite. So select one of these options. After you look at the features that you get, simply tap on choose, and then you just need to fill in the information. On the top, as you can see, there are a total of 4 steps that you need to complete. Firstly, you need to add in the BVN number or the NIN number depending upon your case, and in the next step it is going to ask you to take a selfie using your phone's camera so that they can verify the ID that you provided. Once that step is complete, the third step is going to be to create a PIN, and then lastly you can create your credentials, which is going to be the username as well. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.